for today and today only. I'm about to be your new best friend because I'm going to introduce y'all to my new favorite recipe. This sweet Karolina Blackberry Bundt cake is to die for. It is hands down the best cake I've ever had, and to be honest, I am not a big fan of cake because I don't know, sometimes it's a little bit dry, but the chefs knew what they were doing with this one. This cake is moist. It was so good. I didn't just have a bite, I had the whole cake. I took the whole cake home with me. Okay, now before I get into this recipe, I do have to say that these blackberries are sweet and juicy, just like everyone is saying. They literally taste just like candy. And they're unique to only H-E-B in Texas, which means you should run and don't walk to your nearest H-E-B to go grab some before they sell out. Okay, now back to the recipe. Ingredients and instructions are going to be down below with everything that you need to know to make this bundt cake. We also made a simple syrup with the sweet Karolina blackberries that we use to drizzle on top of the cake as a finisher, or you can also use it to drizzle on top of ice cream, on top of fruit, and other things. Now, as your best friend, I encourage you to make this cake and share it with others and bring it to your next party, because a party without cake is just a meeting, and we don't want that.